This demonstration shows you how to set up the Cashflow Manager mobile app for use with the Cashflow Manager desktop software. For the purpose of this video, we're assuming that you have an ongoing care support subscription, a Microsoft OneDrive account, and have the latest version of Cashflow Manager desktop software installed on your PC. We're also assuming that an active file from your Cashflow Manager desktop software has been synchronized with OneDrive, and that there's data in OneDrive waiting to be synchronized with the mobile app. If you haven't completed those steps, you need to before running the Cashflow Manager app. See the video on the Cashflow Manager website about setting up your desktop software before proceeding. When you run the Cashflow Manager app for the first time, you're presented with a Setup Sync screen. To set up the app to synchronize with Cashflow Manager desktop software, press Yes. You are now presented with a Sign-On screen from Microsoft OneDrive. This is where you enter the login details for your OneDrive account. When you are logged into OneDrive, you're presented with a message from Microsoft asking permission to access and edit OneDrive. This is a Microsoft requirement, and you'll be asked this question every time you open Cashflow Manager mobile app. Just press the Yes button to access the Cashflow Manager app. You are now presented with the app screen, but there will be no data on the screen. At the bottom of the screen, there are 4 icons: Customers, Inventory, Invoices, and more. The first thing you need to do is synchronize Cashflow Manager mobile app with your desktop. You do this by pressing More. This opens up a page with a range of menu options. Version gives you information about which version of the app you are using. Company details. As you're syncing with Cashflow Manager desktop, you don't need to use the company details section of the app. All of your company details will be synchronized to the app from your Cashflow Manager desktop software. This section is just for those who are using the app as a standalone application. Sync Now is the button you press to synchronize the Cashflow Manager app with OneDrive. Reset Database allows you to empty the data on your mobile app and start with a clean slate. It's only used if you get into trouble and need to clear everything out and start again. Clean Up OneDrive allows you to reset all of the data in your OneDrive account. It's also only used if you're having difficulties synchronizing data and need to empty out OneDrive and start again. Sign out of OneDrive does just that. It disconnects you from the OneDrive account so that you will no longer be able to synchronize data. Cancel takes you back to the previous screen. As this is a first-time setup, all you need to do now is press Sync Now. This may take a few minutes, depending on the size of your database and the speed of your internet connection. When the sync is complete, you will notice that your mobile app has been populated with data from your Cashflow Manager PC software. Congratulations! Your Cashflow Manager mobile app has been synchronized with your Cashflow Manager desktop software, and you are now ready to hit the road. For instructions on how to work with the various features of the Cashflow Manager app, visit our website